So karon ang atong challenge, mao na sa disiya ang Tagalog translation to English challenge.
Tagalog, susisi,
Oh.
Di balik. Kaya ba te zero may atong isang adlaw.
Ay, sa ma'am, isa may wakaligo na ma'am, baho mo kay anghit ma'am. Grabe yaw gawag, isalib-salibay. Sa tanisip ma'am, ay. Huwag na pala yung uniforme ma'am.
Ha?
Huwag pala yung uniforme.
Kisa man na.
Guwan mo.
Okay. Una gyapon tata episode last Ernesto ang makasakto sa kanang translation, premiuhan ako og 5,000 pesos.
Paunahan na siya ma'am kay pati Sam na yung
Oo.
Walay laba ma'am.
Una tata
Ikaw ka
episode.
huling god.
Ayaw ko nang makipagtalo pa.
I don't to.
Ha?
Ayaw ko na
Oh,
makita.
I don't. Una.
I don't to debate you.
Wrong. Usa.
I don't to. Ayaw ko na
Ayaw ko nang makipagtalo pa.
I don't to lose you hope.
Wrong. Last.
I don't to this lonely queen. I don't ang una.
Oh.
Ayaw ko na makitalo pa. I don't to talk you anymore.
Wrong. Oh, anymore ang last. I don't anymore ang last.
I don't lost you anymore.
Wrong. Usa.
I don't lost anymore.
Duha.
I don't debate anymore.
Tolo. Ayaw ko nang makipagtalo pa.
I don't me anymore.
Wrong. Usa.
I don't you anymore.
Duha.
I don't wanna say goodbye. I don't wanna anymore.
Wrong. Tolo. Ernesto. Ayaw ko nang makipagtalo pa. I don't niya ang last anymore.
I don't speak anymore.
Ha? I don't speak you anymore?
Oh.
Wrong. Usa.
I don't want her anymore.
Duha.
I don't you anymore.
Tolo.
Sorry, ma'am.
I don't want to argue anymore. Okay.
Argue.
I don't want.
Para sa ikabubuti mo yan.
Para sa kabubuti mo yan.
Ah.
For your good health.
Usa.
For your good condition.
Duha.
Para sa kabubuti.
Para sa ikabubuti mo yan.
For your
Sakto for your ma'am.
for your
Nay for your pero
For
dili
your-
intro.
for your good for future.
Tolo.
Nay, picture.
Wala. Oh, alam mo koy. Para sa ikabubuti mo yan.
Buwan na. This is for your. Everybody knows.
Wrong. Usa.
This okay na this is ma'am.
Wrong.
Galing intro mo be.
That's
For your future.
to duha. Sakto ang that's for your.
Basta to ma'am.
Para sa ikabubuti mo yan. Sakto imong that's for your.
That's for your
Mm.
That's for your good.
Nay God.
Nay good.
Sunod na God.
Last.
That's for your
Very good.
very good.
Wrong, tolo.
For you.
Para sa ikabubuti mo yan. That's for your blank good.
That's for you.
Your.
That's
for your blank good.
for your Future good. Future good. Alam mo future.
That's for your
System.
you God.
You good?
Oh.
Wrong. Duha.
Very, very good. Very good. That's for you. Very good. Oh, that's for you. Very good.
That's for your very God.
Wrong. Tolo. Ernesto.
Ma'am.
Para sa ikabubuti mo yan. Ang una, that's for your blank good.
That's for you, blank God.
Oh. Oh, unsay kan? That's
That's
for
for
your
you.
blank nya good. Unsay puno nimo sa blank?
That's for you, blank.
Eh, ito kang blank.
Oh, dere, tuko blank.
Oh, that's for
That's
your
for you.
Panga.
That's for you,
Panga niya. Good.
ngapang good.
ha? Unsa? That's for your nga pang good?
Oh,
Wrong. Oh.
sa.
Oh, sa.
That's for you.
Your That's for your
That's for your.
Pangagod. That's for you.
That's for your
Pangagod.
pangagods.
That's for your pangagod?
Oh, that's for your pangagods good.
Wrong, duha.
Pangagod. Sabi mo, nasira tingin mo.
That's for you pangagods. Pangagod.
Wrong,
Saan eh?
tolo. That's for your own good.
Dari
Own good.
Dari ko.
I talk to him.
Huh?
I talk to him.
Ito to him.
I talk to him.
English ang mo lagi.
Aw. Sige, bale. Oh, kire lang. Ang lalaki
Kinausap
ay...
ko siya. Kinausap ko siya. Kinausap ko siya.
Ah.
Kinausap ko siya.
Ha?
Artist Mel, kinausap ko siya. I
Oh,
talk to him.
kinausap.
Oh.
Oh, 5,000.
Tagalog lang ko kay English ano.
Okay. Oh, next. Alim mo, Koy.
Kinausap ko siya.
Wala siyang pera. Oh. Wala siyang pera. Mm.
You without money?
Wrong. Usa.
I will without money.
Duha.
Will you without money anymore?
Tolo.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, sakto to ma'am. I will.
Wrong. They ang una. Nya money ang last. Wala siyang pera.
Wala siyang pera.
Wala silang pera.
Wala silang pera.
Ah.
Then no more money.
Wrong. Usa.
They are no more money.
Duha.
They are you more money.
Tolo. Ernesto. Wala silang pera. They ang una, money ang katapusan.
Utot ba?
Ha? Lagi panahot ka tay. Oh. Wala silang pera. They ang una, money ang katapusan. Oh.
Luwas ako man kay pati bawa ko to.
Okay.
Anong kay ma'am?
Wala silang pera. Ang una, they, money ang katapusan.
D. D ang kwan ang
Una. Oh.
They are no more money.
Wrong.
They are D
Usa.
D
They. Oh, they.
Di ko galitik.
Oh. They, nya, money ang katapusan.
Di all to money.
Duha.
Oh, no more money.
They, wala silang pera.
Di ko ka answer.
Okay, next.
Mana ko na ma'am.
Wala man na ka?
Oh.
Wala pa ka ay? Okay, next. Wala silang pera.
Soray.
They, ang una, money ang katapusan.
Wala silang
Pera.
They have no money.
They have no, money.
oh.
Wrong. Usa.
Pito.
Sakto ang last kay have money. They nya blank have
They all
money.
have no money.
Wrong. Duha. They blank have money. Wala silang pera. They blank have money.
They are. And the end. Have money. The end yun.
They are. Sunod? They are.
Secret.
They
They blank have
Are,
money.
sunod sa day.
Secret.
They are.
They blank
They
have
are.
money.
They are no have money.
Wrong. Tolo.
Sa dem.
Don't have money.
They don't.
They
have,
don't have money. Okay, next. Alimokoy.
Ma'am.
Ang lalaki ay tumatakbo.
The voice is running.
Wrong. Usa.
Malaki
Ang lalaki ay tumatakbo.
The boy is running.
Sakto na the boy, ma'am.
Wrong.
The butakals winning.
Duha. Last.
Sa to?
Ang lalaki ay tumatakbo. Laing term sa boy.
Sama.
The winning.
Boy.
Sakto imong da nya is running. Ang imong the boy is running, ilis di ang imong boy. Og lain. Laing term anang boy.
The male.
Ha?
The male. Male.
Last.
The mill. Isa pwede the mill.
The boys. Oh, the boy.
Oh.
The he
Dahi.
is winning.
Wrong, tolo. Dahi, wrong. Ang lalaki ay tumatakbo.
The ha is the raining.
Wrong.
The ho is the raining.
Wrong, duha.
The si and the raining.
Wrong, tolo.
Ano sa di, ma'am?
Oh, ikaw, Ernesto. Ang lalaki ay tumatakbo. Ang lalaki ay tumatakbo. The blank is running.
Sa to kuan sa kuan ma'am.
Ang lalaki ay tumatakbo. The blank is running. Oh,
Dang. Dang.
the oh,
Dang ako ano ang intro sa kuan.
the oh,
The
the blank
blank
is running.
is running.
Ang kanang blank ko ani, ang sire unsa ipuno nimo ana da nya pun-e is running.
Blank. Sa to kuan intro ma'am.
Ang lalaki ay tumatakbo. The is running.
Da is running.
Oh, pun-e na.
Da is running is marathon.
Wrong. The blank is running. Ang kanang blank ay mong ansiran.
Ang blank na labi ang siran.
Oh. The
Da
nya ang tumoy is running. Da ang una nya is running ang tumoy.
Da nya blank is running.
Oh.
da blank is running.
Oh.
Ay naglabad ko.
Oh.
Sakto siya blank, ma'am. Unsa na blank?
Blank pa, blank.
Kuan ko ma'am, nga pass ko ma'am kay.
Wa siya answer ba? Dapat imo na siya ansiran.
The man is running.
Correct! Man!
The man.
The man is running. Oh, man.
Ang blank, ang bot pasabot na kanang wise food ba? Wala pa.
Why sod ba? Kinala nimo ansiran.
So tong utok.
Oh.
Ano yung mga utok ba? Blanco.
Okay, Alimokoy.
The heat is blank.
Narinig mo ba ang balita?
Is you nosing in the Super Balita News?
Wrong! Usa. Narinig mo ba ang balita?
Are you chismis and headed egg?
Wrong. Duha. Hidden egg.
Are you earrings and news balita?
Wrong. Tolo.
Aryo, sakto tong aryo, ma'am.
Wrong. Did ang una.
Then,
Did.
did you hear? Did you hear?
Did your hearing is the massacre?
Wrong. Usa. Narinig mo ba ang balita?
Did your life and the tablet
Duha. Last.
and your standing and the operation?
Wrong. Tolo.
Hindi, ma'am. Butay blank, ma'am. Butay blank, ma'am.
Ernesto, narinig mo ba ang balita?
Butay blank.
Did ang una.
Did blank.
Did niya blank.
Did your hearings
Blank. Ano ang buwan?
did you hearings
Blank.
did you hearings blank
What? Did you hearing?
blanks blanco
Wrong. Usa. Did you? Sakto na. Did you?
did you know
Did you blank?
did you blank news broadcaster?
Wrong. Duha. Last.
Did you blanks blank
Did you? Ay, apil ang blank. Did you?
Did
Nya,
you?
Sumpayin na.
did
Ang
you
answer.
Problem ng balita.
did you radio broadcasting?
Wrong.
Your problem.
Did you hear the news?
Ha?
Did you hear the news?
Did you hear the news?
No?
Kuwang.
Did you hearing the news?
Wrong. Usa. Kuwang. Did you hear the news? Imuha?
Oh.
Wrong. Kuwang na.
Pero did you hear? Okay na.
Oh, did you hear?
Nasa to, pangunta na?
Did you hear blank the news? Oh. Narinig mo ba ang balita? Did you hear blank the news? Basta yung answer.
Did you hear? Did you hear the new? Ano ito?
Did you hear blank the news? Did you hear ang sumpay
Did
sa
you hear
hair?
now the news?
Wrong, duha. Did you hear blank the news?
Did you hear now lagi the news? Dili?
Now?
Oh?
Wrong. Usa, duha na, duha.
Did you hear? 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 Did you hear the news?
Oh, did you hear the news? Ang imong kuan, did you hear blank the news? Oh. Napay sumpay sa here.
Did you
Usa ang the
hear?
news. Mm.
Did you hear for the news?
Wrong, tolo.
Sali.
Did you hear about the news? Oh. Alay mo koy, last. Gawa sa kahoy ang upuan.
Ha?
Gawa sa kahoy ang upuan.
This seat is a make wood.
Wrong.
This
Sa.
make a wood this set.
Wrong, duha.
Make a wood. Make a wood. Make a tree. This is making a tree.
Wrong.
Making tree a good way.
Sakto tong yes, ma'am.
Wrong. Gawa sa kahoy ang upuan.
Ang klo, ma'am, sa sugot.
Da.
The mixture, the tree and the air?
Wrong. The chair. Tagata mo. The chair. Blank.
Gawa sa tao ang upuan.
Di oy. Kahoy.
Ah,
Gawa sa kahoy ang upuan. Gawa sa kahoy ang
gawa
upuan.
sa kahoy.
Oh.
The chair and the cucumber?
Wrong. Duha. Last.
The chair and the on the air?
Tolo. Ernesto.
Bubuan yun.
Gawa sa kahoy ang upuan.
The chair,
Oh,
the
that's...
chair and a good lumber?
Ha?
And a good lumber?
Wrong, usa. Oh. The chair?
The chair made of
Oh, made of.
wood. The chair, the chair
Made
made the wood.
the wood?
Oh,
Wrong ang da. The chair is made.
the chair and made is good. A wood food.
Oh, the chair is made of. Huh?
Country. Tree.
Wrong. Tolo.
Chair is made of wood.
Correct. The chair is made of wood.